Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is meant by demand promissory note. Demand means on demand. Already we discussed the money, who is giving the money is the lender and who is taking the money is the borrower. So always bank and financial institutions will be the lender and customers who that they take money or loans from the bank or the borrowers. So on demand, whenever lender ask the borrower to return the money, you have to return the money. So on demand, borrower is promising that anytime a lender requires this money, I'll repay. This is called demand promissory note. If you apply any type of loan, it may be personal loan, mortgage loan, housing loan, other than your security, you have to give a DPN, demand promissory note. Borrower is required to repay the money whenever the lender requests. So on demand, whenever lender requests, borrower has to repay the loan amount. This is the DPN document will be signed. Purpose, it is a legal commitment from borrower to lender to return the money. So legal commitment. So personal commitment means you will on due date you will pay repay. If it is not repaid, then will go to the court. So when you go to the court, we need a legal document. So DPN will be treated as a legal document. So legally you are bound to pay the loan amount. Maturity, for few documents there will be maturity. For a DPN there won't be any maturity. Maximum of 3 years after documentation. When you will sign on the document, from that date 3 years will be validity. After 3 years you have to take a new DPN from the borrower. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please comment to improve my channel and to prepare a new videos.